All right, we're doing a top operation video here. We already did the snap rivets on the sides. Give it a little bit of an assistance. Start going up. And you would tuck these guys in and put the tonneau cover on. All right, now the reverse. A little bit of throttle to help it along. And you would just latch it back in place. And you make sure to get these guys hooked there. And same on the driver's side.